Yes, my people, welcome back to another banger. Today's gonna be an absolute mad one. Come with me while I get my full custom fabricated exhaust done at Fastlane Styling. This is my first car. It's a 1.6 litre Ford Focus Mk1 2003. So of course it's a petrol engine, and we're going to be doing a backbox delete, resonator delete, plus a twin exit setup, and we're going to even be modifying the bumper so it fits all properly. Before we do anything, we're going to be doing the full sound check, so we're going to be revving it, and even a little clutch thumb send, so we can see exactly how the car sounds right now. We're also going to be doing it after we get the whole setup done. We're going to be seeing how the whole process is, how they cut the exhaust, how they fabricate it, and how they weld everything together. And we're going to see how it sounds at each stage. So first is going to be with just the backbox delete, then the resonator as well. Of course, we're going to finish it off with a POV drive, because one thing we know is that it's going to be proper loud. Trust me, we're going to be taking it out in the streets of London and see exactly how this thing sounds like. So without further ado, let's get started with today's vid. You've now arrived at Fastlane Styling. There's bare other cars, you know, getting exhaust. So many people modifying their cars. It's a proper nice. So it's being driven in now. This is where the cars are done. So my car's now inside. If you look at other cars, there are people doing wraps. There's others welding. The car right now is being raised up. we have bare cars coming in, and now they're welding the front, and then I'm gonna after that hear the res without the res sound, and it's proper nice. A lot of people are coming in doing their cars, so that's it. Backbox or res?